Hey guys, Thunder E here, and we're looking at the HP Sprout. So at Intel's event, we got to take a look at this new all-in-one that really combines traditional desktop with augmented reality. So what this thing has, it's got a 20 touch mat there on the bottom, and on the top of the all-in-one you do have a projector. It's a DLP projector, 14.6 megapixel camera on there, or the lens, and it uses the RealSense 3D from Intel. Now this all-in-one is powered by a Core i7 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and I think it does have the NVIDIA GTX 725A chipset in there. So what you have here, you're looking at, is the Sprout menu. Now Sprout allows you to basically interact with both screens, and it has a lot of benefits there. So you can actually almost use both screens at the same time. So looking at the projected menu here on the mat here, you can see there are different options. There's a video editing tool. There are many options you can jump in and out from. But what I really like about this is that this is a very easy and simple and intuitive system that they've actually developed here with Sprout. So you can of course use an on-screen keyboard on the mat itself, and it actually works and functions to type and do all your word editing, or you can actually use a regular keyboard and mouse if you want to. But this eliminates all that, and what the projector also brings into play is also the fact that you have the ability to throw in objects in there, so physical objects into your screen area. For instance, I took a photo with the front-facing camera, and the lady's playing a puzzle there. So that's me on the very top, and she's trying to match my photo on the bottom on the mat to the one on the top. And you can see the responsiveness of the touch mat. It's very responsive. It's easy to drag around, drop, and navigate. Now, this might seem like a very simple game, but if you're doing something more complex, or doing maybe some more 3D animation or things like that, you can see how that becomes useful, especially when you're trying to model figures. So for instance, you can also drag and drop icons from the top and just kind of flick them down, kind of like Iron Man style, which you can see it's just nice that some of that is there, and you can actually go ahead and rearrange them, resize, and the navigation, like I said, is very, very, very easy to do. And I think a lot of people will find this useful, especially in the home. Now the Sprout retails for about $1,800. It's a little bit pricey for an all-in-one, but I can see the benefits in use in education, in working. So for instance, this is one really cool aspect here. We threw in a watch, and you can scan in any product you have, any object, anything. So we threw in a watch, and that's added to our database, and we can actually use that in different occasions and for different things. You can see the watch there, it's now added, and we can use it to either select or add into our file and use it for whatever projects we're working on. So that is pretty cool. I like the fact that what they've done here is something that's very simple and intuitive. And if you drop this in a home, I can guarantee your kids would literally just pick it up with ease and be able to jump in and do stuff. And also you can use this at work, and imagine in a workspace where people are sharing work tools, and they're trying to share information, where you can actually keep working on the bottom, and then video conferences on the top, doing some sketches, things like that. You can also use it as a regular scanner too, which is pretty cool. You can actually scan your documents in, which we did here. So it's cool that it does that. It's cool it has that features, and like I said, the ability to literally use any object around and input it into your computer system is really cool. And that's something that we've been expecting for a while. You can see how again, it's easy to just navigate and use it as a regular scanner. Just have to of course accept that, and we can actually manipulate the object itself, rotate it, do all that fun stuff all together, save it as a PDF. So on the basic computer side, you can use it. It's simple, it's easy, but besides that, you can also scan your face in there. That's John V, and we're scanning his face into this thing, and it's really cool because it actually does a real good job. You have to just take a look at it and see what it does here. As we scan him in, you can see his face. That's what we got in, but we actually were able to get his full facial features, and I also scanned my hand in there, so you have that there. It's really, really nice that this thing is easy. it does a very good job in capturing what's around, and also you have the space to manipulate it and do whatever you want to with it, which is actually really cool. So I'd love to see more from this. Yes, this is this is the first gen of this device of this nature. I like the fact that it's getting away from traditional keyboard and mouse. You can also use that again if you're a sketch artist. This is great because you're sketching on there, and of course you're showing on the screen on top. You can use this for different manipulation tools in just a work scenario and things like that. So I really like it. I think HP has done a really solid job. I would love to see some more refinements in just in the look and design, and also maybe a much more improved camera in terms of just resolution overall. But I like the HP Sprout. It's something I think it's very innovative. It's cool. Something if you have a chance to check out, hopefully it'll be out at Microsoft stores and also Best Buy, so you can definitely get your hands on it and see how well it functions. Otherwise, if you guys have any questions or any comments, let us know. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also, do subscribe to the channel, top right hand corner of your screen. And we have a giveaway going on for Galaxy Tab. Enter the giveaway. And this is Thunder E saying thank you and always enjoy your entertainment.